Hello, dear wonderful friends. Welcome back here at Laarni's Kitchen and Food Creations. This morning, please, I would like to let you know that I'll be baking delicious type of goodies, freshly baked goodies. And please come join with me as I'm going to show you very easy type of baking. And let me tell you what are the very basic ingredients that we have. Friends, I am using very overripe bananas. I peel this, and so we have to accomplish at least four cups of ripe bananas. So I'm gonna puree that bananas. I have here some fresh peaches that we bought from British Columbia we visited last time. So these are very sweet type of peaches. So I tried to peel this one. So these are the peelings, and I took the pits, the liso or the seeds. So I tried to set that aside. So we'll just try to chop this one. Now, not necessarily that you will be using fresh peaches. You can always buy some peaches in a can. It's a store-bought can. Just discard the water or the juice and then try to slice accordingly, whatever desired slices you want to achieve. So for a peaches, I'm going to accomplish at least 2 cups of fresh sliced peaches. Okay, set that aside for now. Wonderful friends, please, without further ado, we're going to preheat our oven. Okay, there. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so set that aside. Now here in my clean, dry, big mixing bowl, I use 1/2 cup and 1/2 cup of butter. And your butter should be spreadable or at room temperature. I use parquet margarine. Actually, this is 1/2 cup per square. So you can use unsalted or salted butter or margarine. 1 cup. And so I am going to add 1 cup. This is 1 cup and 1/4 cup. So 1 and 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. So we're going to do the creaming method. Creaming method is beating or melting our butter with sugar. To the event that you don't have an electric mixer, hand mixer, you can use electric stand mixer, or even no mixer, no worries, you just use simple whisk. So are we going to continue beating this until this will become melted and well combined. Wonderful friends, after you beat or melt your butter with your sugar, I am going to add 5 large eggs and then 1/2 cup of sunflower oil. So I use sunflower oil. You can use whatever cooking oil you have available in your pantry. And also I am going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk. I use this brand, the cheap brand. So whatever milk you want to use, simply go ahead. You can also use fresh milk. So I'm using the same measuring cup. Okay, there you go. 1 cup of evaporated milk into our mixture here. So remember, every drop counts. Now, if you don't have evaporated milk, you can use fresh milk. Okay, there you go. You can use fresh milk or full cream milk. Like, for example, this one. Hold on a minute. It's too much here. Okay, you can use this whipping cream because that's very a little bit more of creamier than everything else. You can use that one, same measurement, 1 cup. And also, wonderful friends, I am going to add some, maybe approximately 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, wonderful friends, let's continue in beating. So make sure that using your spatula, you're going to scrape the sides in your batter mixture. So this is what we call creaming method or batter mixture. So we'll continue beating that one and set that aside. So wonderful friends, this is quite done. I'll turn this off and we're going to puree using our electric mixer here in our overripe bananas. Okay, there you go. Friends, here in my wet ingredients, okay, I am going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour if you want, okay? So you can sieve it or sieve it, depends upon you. But I did not bother sifting it. Okay, this is my baking soda. So I use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So I have here, that's baking soda. And also I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Whatever brand you want to use, simply go ahead. So 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So adding those baking powder and baking soda, they're wonderful leavening agents. And so remember, friends, that cooking and baking, they're always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen. Thus, it gives you the idea on what to prepare for your family's next meal or snacks or dessert. Okay, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fine iodized salt. And so we are going to beat this maybe approximately 2 minutes until this is well combined. Okay, there you go. So I'm using my spatula once again to scrape the sidings and for smoothing it up. Okay, there you go, friends. So this is quite done. I'll set this aside. So we will check the consistency. So this is partly dense, so don't worry. This is very, very natural. Okay, see that one? Okay, now I am going to add 4 cups of this pureed or mashed bananas. You can use masher if you want. So we will use measurements. So, okay, this is 1 cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups. Friends, this is my very own formulated mixture and simply and greatly would love to share this to all of you. Okay, let's continue beating this for a few seconds. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Set that aside for now. There you go, wonderful friends. Our batter mixture is done. So I'll have to add my 2 cups of chopped or fresh slices of peaches. Then we will just switch into spatula, then simply mix it well. Okay, there you go, wonderful friends. This is well combined and very well mixed. Okay, I have here my paper cups, which I bought this from dollar store. I don't need because this is a little bit sturdy. Now you can use 12-hole muffin with your liner. So I'm going to pour my butter mixture at least 2/3 so there will be a room growth for our muffins. You can also use these molders here. Okay, I produced 32 pieces, good sizes, and into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Into the oven, and I'll close my oven. I set the timer to 20 minutes.